Are you a fan of colored background, but you don't have the LED lights to give you the colors behind? Let me show you how you can transform your video from this to this. Now you click the video, then you scroll till you find copy, and you click on the copy, then now you scroll till you find overlay. Then now all you have to do is to drag this video under the first one and make sure it laps properly. After then, the next thing to do is for you to search for cutout. Then you click on remove background. So you wait for it, this it here, make sure it gets to 100% before you do anything next. So now, yes, it's ready. So the next thing to do now is for you to click on the first video, then you scroll down here until you see what we call adjust, then you scroll down here till you find graph. Then here I'm going to use the red one. So here you can actually choose the variation. You see, as you're pulling it around, it's giving you like different colors, so I like this one. And now I click on the green, and using the green mixing with the red, you see the color that it's giving. You can also play with the blue also, to mix it out and pick the desired color that you want. And that's it. Save this video, practice multiple times. Don't forget to like and share for more.